In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Irregular Recruits on your phone. So Irregular Recruits is a single-player army builder game in which you have to assemble your army. But when your recruits die in a battle, they're gone forever. So you have to hire new recruits and discover combos to overcome the difficult battles. So in order to download this game, first of all what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Play Store on your phone. After that, you're going to tap on the search box and then you're going to type in here for Irregular Recruits and then search for it. Once your game appears on the screen, you're going to tap on that. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see here some more information about this game. In order to install this game on your phone, scroll up back and then just tap on install. Then you're just going to wait until your game has been installed. And once it's done, you can just tap on play to start playing your game.